Hi, I'm Lisa. I live here in Mirada, California. My house was built in the 50s and the floor plan was a little weird and broken up. Well, my dog and I were out taking a walk and I found a house in the neighborhood that was being worked on, and it had a sign that said High-Tech Builders. So I took a picture and went home and gave them a call. I had a design in mind that I wanted, and the project manager, May, and Mayan, and the foreman and all of those people helped me to make suggestions with the design. They talked to the city, they did everything through the city. They did all the communications, the plans, all of the city's requirements. That I didn't have to do a thing as far as the city. I was getting a big project done, so I just figured, why not add in the bathrooms? Why have a new kitchen and old bathrooms? Oh, completely different than what it was before. I love my house now. I love the colors and the openness, and it just feels so much more comfortable in the house now. I have recommended High-Tech Builders to friends and family, and yes, I would recommend them again. Thank you, High-Tech Builders. Thank you, May and Mayan and Christina and everyone who helped design and make this project happen.